Welcome back to my channel, Way to Navy guys. Once again, hopefully you are doing well. Today I will cover another exciting episode of Maritime News, episode number 3. But before starting the video, I would like to suggest you, please, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and press all to get notification for my upcoming videos. So now let's move to the topic one by one. So today's first news is that a very old advertisement of Titanic ship found, so we'll see what is the details inside it. So you can see in the screen the poster now. So the Titanic, so recently some of the ship's crew found the advertisement about the Titanic ship, and it says about the first sailing from the Newark, and surely they also, it is mentioned about the length, engine weight, beam as well as. Okay, the next news is that the Norwegian cruise line to cut 515 million spending for the corona effect. So another news, now ships blow horn in the ports worldwide on 1st May. So on the 1st May the ships blow the horn, all the ships which are on the port blown their horns to tribute to the Labor Day on the 1st of May. So that is a great initiative from the shipping companies. Next news is that crew of a bulk carrier gives $1,200 for corona relief. Okay, that is very good. So there was a bulk carrier called MV Linda Dream. The crew took the initiative and they have donated 1200 US dollars for the corona relief. Now another news, that is 4 tons of cocaine caught in the supply ship. Okay, in the Spain actually the ship was caught with 4 tons of cocaine. Now another news, fire on the Marks container ship. Marks Vilnius is reported have fire in the engine room. The fire was brought under control by the crew after hours of struggle. Fires seem to be damaged propulsion system of the ship, cannot use the main engine. So that is a sad news. Now, rising blank sailing in the container shipping. A big concern means the ship is sailing without any cargo. That is called the blank sailing, and it is increasing day by day in container ships. So that is a big headache now. Now that is another initiative Marks Line has taken, that they have started the railway facility from China to Turkey, because nowadays, as you know, due to the corona and all, the most of the ships are now at anchorage. They want to run their business smoothly, and the marksmen don't want any disturbance in the business. That is why they have come up with this initiative, that there will be container will be delivered by using the train from China to Turkey. So that is very applaudable. Another is that pirate attack on a tanker ship and 10 seamen kidnapped. So a little brief we'll discuss on this topic. So what happened is that near West Africa Nigerian coast, pirates managed to board a product tanker named Varma Hope. As per reports that are coming, around 10 seamen were taken by the pirates, kidnapped from the ship. The ship was en route from Lagos to Cameroon. The AIS of the ship believed to be still on, and the tanker is drifting in the open sea. The pirates' activity have increased a lot in the West African region, that is for sure. So 10 seamen was kidnapped due to this incident. Afterwards, no report has been found. If anything I will find, I will definitely share regarding this. Now that is another sad incident, that cargo ship collides with the bridge in Japan. The ship name Amaterasu, IMO number 9157600. It was collided with Kausan Oshia Bridge pillar at Ube port. I don't know how did she collide with the bridge. Airdraft is definitely there, but somehow it has been collided. Maybe there was something wrong in the voyage plan, or maybe there was an updated chart and all. That is why maybe collided. Okay. So another news coming up here, that more than 1.5 lakh seafarer needs to sign up by May 15th. So by next week, the 1.5 lakh seafarer are scheduled to sign up. I don't know how it will be possible now, but people and the government, not only Indian government, each and every government, all the seafarers community unity are trying to arrange the sign up by somehow, maybe arranging the charter planes for the sign-offs, because people are there 11 months, 12 months also on board now. Another incident like cocaine I have told. Now another drug found in the cargo hold of the cargo ship in the Hamburg, Germany. It is a bulk carrier name is Budva, arrested in Germany by German police after the search operation has been conducted and found quantity of drugs in the cargo hold of the bulk carrier. Now there is a 23 crew, all are taken for the investigation. Okay, now another incident that is also harmful for business aspect, that strong wind blows off the container in the Belgium. Several containers were blown away from the ship OCL United Kingdom by the strong wind force in the Belgium port. The containers were empty on the 2nd of May 2020. The incident has been occurred. So due to the lightness of the container, it was blown away. Okay, the Spain started sign on and sign off for the shipping crew. That is good initiative by Spain. Another news regarding corona here, that 300 seafarers quarantined in Germany for COVID-19 test. Okay, again another corona, that a crew member dies of coronavirus. So a Filipino crew member on a cruise ship Oasis of the Seas died coronavirus. He was admitted in the hospital being diagnosed with corona infection. Name of the crew member is Carlos Blalurian from Philippines. So that is sad incident. Another news coming up, that ship started avoiding Suez Canal. So why so? Suez Canal is a marvelous man-made canal definitely connecting the Red Sea Mediterranean Sea. It is made of reduce the time travel, save a lot of money, fuel. So okay, that is all enough. But move to the main topic, that is ship owners prefer sending the ship down to South Africa instead of Suez Canal because the fees of the cross canal is much more than the price of fuel time taken to cross this. So mitigate the budget, ship owners come up with this initiative. Okay, so this is the last news of the day. We'll finish it up the day with this news only. The situation critical on the cargo ship after 78 migrants on board. So what happened, we'll see. Container ship Marina took part of the migrant rescue operation on May 4th after advice of MRCC Malta, so that is Maritime Rescue Coordination Center, MRCC. They took around 78 migrants on board while ship is still waiting for the further instruction. The supplies on ship are running out very fast. Provisions are generally for 15 crew members, but with so many migrants on the ship, it is running out of their supplies. So that is the issue, that provisions are running out the supplies due to lot of migrants are being rescued. So I think you have liked this episode. That is the news. I have shared all the information which has been occurred in the previous week. I will definitely come up with a new episode in the next week. What will going to happen in this upcoming week? Thank you for watching the video. If you have liked, please press the like button. Don't forget to share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So that's it for the day. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.